Welcome back, traders. It's December 19, 2024, and today we're diving into the Forex market highlights and what to expect for the next workday. Grab your coffee, buckle up, and let's decode the trends shaping tomorrow's trading opportunities. Let's kick things off with a quick recap of today's action. The US dollar index hovered around 103.75, reflecting cautious sentiment as traders digested key economic data. The euro to US dollar pair saw a slight dip, closing near 1.0850 after the European Central Bank reaffirmed its commitment to a tighter policy. Meanwhile, pound sterling to US dollar stayed resilient around 1.2675, bolstered by better-than-expected retail sales data from the UK. The US dollar to Japanese yen pair had an interesting session, climbing above 147.50 as Japanese officials downplayed immediate intervention despite yen weakness. If you were trading the majors, volatility likely kept you on your toes. Looking ahead to December 20th, here's what's on our radar. The economic calendar is light in the US, but markets will remain sensitive to Federal Reserve speakers and any hints on policy adjustments. Across the Atlantic, the Eurozone's Consumer Confidence Index will provide clues about the region's economic resilience. Over in Asia, China's GDP data for Q4 will be closely watched. Any surprises here could ripple across risk-sensitive pairs like Australian dollar to US dollar and NZD/USD. A stronger-than-expected number might reignite optimism in commodity-linked currencies. Now, let's get technical. Starting with euro to US dollar, the pair faces immediate resistance at 1.0880, while support is seen near 1.0820. A breakout above resistance could open the path to 1.0950, but failure to hold key levels might test 1.0780. For US dollar to Japanese yen, 148.00 is the critical resistance to watch. If bulls push through, we could see 149.20 next. On the downside, support remains at 146.80. Keep an eye on those levels as momentum builds. As for pound sterling to US dollar, the pair's 200-day moving average at 1.2650 has provided solid support. If it holds, there's potential to retest 1.2720. However, a break below 1.2650 might signal deeper corrections. Sentiment indicators show mixed signals. Retail traders remain net long on euro to US dollar, signaling a possible continuation of bearish momentum. For US dollar to Japanese yen, sentiment leans bullish, aligning with the pair's upward trend. If you're considering entries, patience is key. Wait for confirmation at those critical levels. Remember to stick to your strategy. Focus on setups with favorable risk-reward ratios and always manage your exposure, especially in these volatile conditions. As we wrap up, December 20th promises to be a day shaped by sentiment and technical plays. Keep an eye on key data, stay disciplined with your trades, and never forget, preserving capital is just as important as making profits. If you found this analysis valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth Forex insights. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next update. Trade smart and stay ahead of the markets.